Well, welcome to another episode of Cooking in the Community Kitchen, where we cook delicious recipes and have flavorful conversations. My name is Judy Anderson, and I will be your host for today. I want you to give, please, a really warm welcome to my guest, Nicole Little. She is the Marketing and Events Coordinator with the Calgary PMA. Those initials standing for the Produce Marketing Association, an amazing partner with the Community Kitchen. So welcome, Nicole. I'm so happy to have you here. And we're going to make a salad for back to school, but really our focus today is going to be about the upcoming fall harvest sale. So tell me about the dates.
Yeah, so we're going to be hosting our annual fall harvest sale on September 10th and the 11th, the Saturday, Sunday. So this year we're going to be hosting it at the BMO Center in Hall E. So it's going to be a big change for us and a big exciting venue. We're super happy to be partnering with the Stampede and the BMO Center to host the event there.
And you know what? I think the best thing is you've got a little bit of climate control, because there has been years where I volunteered and we started out with gloves and parkas and whatever, because it was quite cold in the morning, and then by the time the afternoon went off, we were peeling off layers. So anyway,
and everything in between.
Between. So if you want to talk just for a moment about the dressing, we're going to do then broccoli and grape salad. This works just perfect for a back to school lunch because it packs well. And we start off with about 3 to 4 cups of broccoli that has been made into the little florets. And then, we're going to have some little noises from there, are we? You're doing a great job. And then I'm going to add about that 2 cups of cut up grapes. And this can be, when we just look at it with proportion wise, it's going to look good. I think the purple grapes or the red grapes also just give it a really nice color contrast. So that's looking good. Now, so in my fridge, and what came into spins was also some pears. So I think I'm going to just add a little pear in here too for texture. Perfect. So we're going to do that. I think you will all agree with me that the past 2 years have been filled with many challenges, and never before have we seen so many Calgarians, 1 in 10, face the tough decision between paying rent or purchasing groceries. The Community Kitchen has provided the Good Food Box program for 20 plus years, and this program offers boxes of fresh fruits and vegetables at affordable pricing, up to 50% less than the retail. Plus, you are supporting local, our non-for-profit Community Kitchen, as well as our produce wholesalers. Please take a moment to check out our website, ckpcalgary.ca, to order your Good Food Box from a depot close to your home or your work. And for further information on the Community Kitchen, please give us a call. Together, we can reduce hunger in our city. From our CKP family to you and yours, thank you for your support. So the fall harvest is one of my personal favorite events that we have, because most of you that have watched know that I'm a farm girl at heart. And to be able to go to this incredible market, and when you think that all of the items that will be there have been donated by probably 40 or so suppliers and donors. And the quality of the fruits and the vegetables is just second to none. So it is just that perfect spot to maybe get your girlfriends together, do a big group cook after.
Absolutely,
and people come with their great big lists, and they'll say, okay, you're getting this and I'm getting that. And so I love the excitement. I really do.
Yeah, it's great. We're really, really lucky to have so many great partners and members and sponsors and donors who really step up for us this time of year, which allows us to discount all of the products so heavily. It's great because you can come down and buy in, really big bulk quantities if you're doing a big, cooking day or freeze cooking. Or you can buy just in smaller quantities like you would in the grocery store, just for really nice discounted prices.
Oh, Well, I don't think you'll go anywhere and find the beautiful quality for that price. It's unheard of, and I am a good shopper, so I guarantee that you're going to be blown away with the prices and just the beauty. And I think anytime too, even when we shop and we know that both the Children's Hospital, the Calgary Children's Hospital, and the Community Kitchen will be the benefactors from some of the funds that are raised. So we couldn't do it without the CPMA. The Community Kitchen just couldn't run without you. So we are so grateful for that partnership and all the work that goes on into this event, because there's literally hundreds of volunteers and there is hundreds and hundreds of hours spent preparing this. So I just encourage all of you to come out. You know, it's one of those things, well, if everybody tells their 10 friends and then tell them, you go and tell your 10 friends, we're going to get the amount of people, because what's the big dream for the numbers?
Well, you know what? We would absolutely be blown away to see about 10,000 people through the doors on both days. So we certainly anticipate seeing a whole lot of you, and we're looking forward to a really great day. And you know, we're so blessed to have so many wonderful volunteers and donors. As I said, it really just allows us, it's important for us as an organization to make food, healthy food, fresh food, accessible for everybody. You know, what you guys do in all of your programming throughout the year, we try and do on a big scale once a year. Exactly. So we're very happy to be able to support those programs throughout the year.
That's right.
After this sale. Yeah.
And the CPMA doesn't just support only one program. They're part of our Spins Around program, part of our Tummy Tamers. And so it is an incredible partnership as well, of course, as the Children's Hospital. So if you care, I know it's going to make just a little bit crazy noise there for a sec, but, and it's old-fashioned where you have to, oh, there you go.
Shall I give it a shake, maybe?
Absolutely. And then maybe we have to have a finger taste test too there, right?
Always.
Okay.
Stir, maybe.
Oh, sure. I can smell the curry in there.
That's beautiful.
Yummy. So we've got then the mayonnaise, we've got some curry, we've got a little sugar and some white vinegar. And so we've got that beautiful combination of the sweet and a little bit sour, and I think it's going to be beautiful. You're welcome to have a little taste.
Really, really good.
Okay, well, perfect.
It suits me just fine. Very good.
If you're fine, I'm fine.
Okay.
And so I just added 4 or 5 chopped onions into here. I'm going to add maybe about a half or so of toasted slivered almonds.
Delish.
And then we're going to dump this on here, and maybe I'll put the bacon. I've got about a half a pound, give or take, of bacon. Everything is better, of course, with bacon, right?
Everything.
And it will just add that beautiful saltiness as well to our salad. So we're going to add this and just see what we come up with here. I tend to not to overdress the salad. I like to have that little bit of mystery with the flavors and the creaminess of it. But we'll just see, and you can certainly give your opinion here if you think we need a little more, or just what is the best rate to go. Maybe we need a little more, right? We have quite all of that covered. Perfect. Thank you so much. So do you care then just to give us a little recap, please, about the times then?
Sure, you bet. So on Saturday the 10th, we're going to run from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. And then on Sunday the 11th, it'll be from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So, get your carts and get everything that you need, and make sure you're lined up and ready to go for 10 o'clock, because it is an event that you really, really will not want to miss. That's what I can tell you. And we're going to toss the salad here, and then we're going to have our first few bites, and then we'll just see what we think of this. See if this is a recipe that you would consider packing for your children.
Absolutely. And that was a really great tip about bringing a wagon and shopping bags and anything that you can think of. We've seen all kinds of things to carry the produce around, because I promise you that you will leave with far more than you anticipated, as always happens to me.
Exactly.
So yeah, that was a great tip.
Okay. Well, and I'm going to show you my wagon, because it is the best things going, and it'll help you with ease to be able to do your big shop and get everything to your vehicle. And so will there be the baseball team, the young baseball team, also to help people get their, whatever the produce that they buy or the vegetables to their vehicle?
Yeah, things are going to be a little bit different this year, because the layout's going to be a little bit different, but we will definitely have some things in place if you need somebody to sit with your produce while you run and grab your car and drive it up to the front door to get loaded.
Perfect.
We will definitely have some options for you.
That's right. So it's almost like curbside as well. So it's a huge bonus, and it's so well thought of and well planned that I know you're going to love it, and you'll be marking it on your calendar as we head into 2023 as well. And then if we could just discuss the tickets too. So how are people going to access this event?
Yeah, so if you want to get tickets ahead of time, you can go on to Eventbrite and search Fall Harvest Sale. Or you can head straight to our website, calgarypma.ca, and there's a link in there. Okay. Or you'll be able to grab them at the door.
Okay, that's perfect. And then after you've loaded up your wagon or whatever of goodies, you'll be able to pay by cash, by debit, or by credit as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so they've got all forms of payment are also covered. So it just come and celebrate. This has been going on for over 40 years, this event. So they've got it down pat. And yes, it's a new venue, but it's a new sale, a new venue, and it's going to be an incredible experience.
Yeah, we're really, really looking forward to it, and looking forward to seeing you all. And we love to hear the stories about how you use the sale and what it means to you, and you know, all the fun things that people cook and make with the product. So
maybe we'll have a chance to even post some people's recipes,
that
or
would
even
be great.
some of the pictures of the crowd, because there isn't anything like getting right in there and feeling the spirit of the shoppers. So I think it's only fitting that we just use a beautiful leaf plate here. Of course, we all know that we eat with our eyes, and so we want this to look beautiful, and as well as tasting beautiful. And get a little bit on the side, that won't hurt either. And then maybe we will just sprinkle with a few of these remaining almonds. This recipe is also really good if you're eating gluten-free, or if you've got even the keto diet. Everything is good in there except maybe the sugar in the dressing. But you know, we want to be really mindful of the people in our lives that are trying to eat healthy and affordable. And I think that this salad has all of those factors in it. So we hope that that you will enjoy making this recipe. Well, I just want to dish you up the first bites here, and then I think we're just going to have a really, really quick recap.
Sure. Thank you. That looks great.
Well, good. So I think the bottom line is, mark on your calendar, please, September 10th and 11th. You want to be at the Fall Harvest Sale, and you're going to go hopefully online to Eventbrite or through the CPMA Calgary website and get your tickets, please, because there isn't anything like even knowing how many people perhaps to anticipate as well, right?
That's right, yeah.
So please, please join us. All right.
And you know what? It's really great knowing that you can come down and, you know, of course, get all the beautiful produce at really reduced prices, but just know that all of the proceeds are being directed back to the community through the Community Kitchen Program, the Children's Hospital, and many other local sort of community programs and organizations throughout the year.
Exactly.
So it's really near and dear to our hearts, because it allows us to support increasing food security and all kinds of programs.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I think too, and we've got so many people still struggling in our city with food insecurity, that to have this incredible sale that helps then generate funds that go back into the community, as you said, and into community programs, it is so magnificent. It's like just getting a double-double, isn't it?
That's right.
Really, really
Everybody wins.
Everybody wins. Well, let's have a couple of bites here and make an executive decision if we're going to make this again.
That's excellent.
Pardon me. Well, I think we will just do a quick toast. We're going to toast to the best fall harvest sale in the history of the partnership between the Community Kitchen, the Children's Hospital, and the CPMA.
I will toast to that.
To the best.
Thank you, Judy.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today. And Nicole, it just is a pleasure always to have you, to feel your energy, your heart and love for both the CPMA and just for the charities. We love that. We couldn't do it without you. And again, come on down and join us because it'll be an experience that you'll never forget. Take care. See you next time.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sunday Nordine, CEO of Community Kitchen. Thank you for watching this episode of Cooking in the Community Kitchen. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a recipe. And if you'd like to learn more about our programs or would like to make a donation, please visit us at ckpcalgary.ca.